So in order to open this, you're supposed to do like an unredacted, I don't know what that means, unredacted, and unabridged. You're supposed to do like an unabridged unboxing. I didn't go find any help for this. I didn't prepare for this. Just give me my 80s album. I mean, I guess I should be happy that they made it difficult to get into this box. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Wait, did I get a signed one? I don't know whose signature that is. Somebody help me. I'm so new to the pirate ship. Apparently I got a signed album. Who knew? I mean, I probably knew when I ordered, but definitely forgot. Okay, it's gorgeous. What do I do here now? Oh, Ghost, Adrenaline, NASA, On the Road, and Choose. Oh, I'm excited to listen to this. I guess I just slide everything out. Oh, Handsomes. This is like steampunk space. They're like in space. I feel like there's got to be a way to open this. I don't want to break anything. That feels wrong. That feels wrong. What I'm doing here feels very wrong. This should have come with instructions. I should have watched an unboxing. Okay, this is gorgeous. Let's see, let's just flip to something. Oh, hi. Oh, hello, little Fay man. Oh, mountain. This is such a good concept. Well, concepts for them. Oh, check that out. City. Okay, this should probably go in something, right? Oh, right here. There we go. You go right in there. Oh, wow. Oh, it folds open. Oh, just a timeline of man. You're like a code breaker thing. Wait a minute. Do you go with this? Oh my God. I love a code. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so fun. Hey, sweets. He's so cute. Okay. Look at these babies. Look at that cutie pie. Cutie pie. Look at that cutie pie. I don't know why I'm whispering. I just feel like I have to whisper. Okay, that was adorable. I'm very happy with this. Somebody please tell me whose signature this is. Could be anybody. I don't know. This is my first 80s album. They're so cute. Any hoozles, I hope you have a great day.